In this lecture, we're gonna look at a tool mirror. With this tool, we can mirror faces, features, and bodies about a plane or face. So here we have two bodies, body 1 and body 2, as we can see here in the Feature Manager design tree. Body 1 and body 2. And we can mirror those bodies about a plane or face. So let's go to the Features tab, and let's choose here a tool mirror. Here in the first step, we have to choose a mirror face or plane. Now we're going to choose this plane, plane 1, and then we're going to choose here bodies. So we can choose this body, and here we can see the preview, and we can click OK. And now we were mirroring this body about this plane. Let's go back, let's go Edit Feature. As well, we can choose this body here, and click OK. And now we got this result, like this. Now let's go back. Let's Edit Feature. Now here we have option Merge Solids. If we check this and click OK, this is not possible because those two bodies are not in contact. So we have to uncheck this. Now let's delete this. Right click, clear selections. Let's delete this plane. Delete. Now for example, let's choose this face like this. And for the bodies to mirror, let's choose this one and this one, like this. And let's click OK. And now we got this result. Now if we go back, Edit Feature, and now if we check Merge Solids, let's click OK. And now we still got an error, because those two bodies are not in contact. This body is in contact, but this is not. This body is in contact, but not this one. So let's delete this body. This one, let's check Merge Solid and let's click OK. And now this is possible because those bodies that you mirror, if you want to merge them, they have to be in contact. Now let's delete this mirror, right click and delete. Like this. Here we have two bodies, body 1 and body 2. Now let's go to the Boss Extrude 1, right click and Edit Feature. And here we see we don't have a checked merge results. If we check merge result, then those two bodies will become one body. They will be merged together. Let's click OK. And now if we look here on the Feature Manager design tree, we only have one body. Now let's go to the mirror again. Let's choose plane 1. And bodies to mirror, we can choose this body. If we click OK, we have a Merge Solids, it won't work. We have to uncheck Merge Solids and click OK now. And now this works. And now if you look at here, we have two bodies, this body and body mirror 5, this one. Now let's go here and let's delete mirror 5. Like this. Now let's go to mirror again. Let's choose for mirror face plane, plane 1, like this. Now let's go to features to mirror. And we want to mirror this feature, like this, only this one. And now if we click OK, this doesn't work because those two features are one body. So if you want to mirror only this one, you have to uncheck Merge Result in the Boss Extrude 2, and then you have to choose Bodies to Mirror. Now let's edit this, like this, and now let's choose a different face plane. Let's delete, let's choose this face. Now let's see if this works. Let's click OK. Now we can see that this works. And this works because they are in contact. So this is how you can mirror faces, features, and bodies about a plane or faces.